Benefsin aka ne ho biom na asɛm a Benefsin eka ene sɛ 2024 abato no de Ghana for yenjai ma Bawumia ɔse mahama ɛbɛyɛ a wɔnkɔpɛ bibi nda na yenjai ma Bawumia na Bawumia no obɛwini 2024 abato no na Benefsin ma reason nti a Bawumia na ebɛwini 2024 abato na ɔse Ghana Christopher ni na agye Bawumia tum Christopher ya agye atum we are comfortable with Bawumia say Ghana for agye atum say Bawumia pe na oye Muslim ni a Ghana Christopher agye atum say Bawumia pe na oye Muslim ni a oba be di Ghana for so a Christopher enhom nti no omo agye Bawumia atum nim Christo ni bi Christopher e ba kan asem no kire no but yenkonko redi ensem wa Benefsin e de ababeto dwa. Now was a renowned Ghanaian pollster Benefsin has predicted a win for the vice president, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Now, he said the vice president will be the flag bearer of the new patriotic party and eventually the president of Ghana. In an interview on Unia TV, he said Dr. Bawumia will have an advantage over John Mahama in the general elections. Benefsin said Dr. Bawumia will go ahead to win the presidency if he's elected the flag bearer of the MPP because he has two advantages. Okay, let's go into the advantages. One, if Bawumia is made the flag bearer of MPP, he comes with two main advantages. That is, many Christians feel comfortable with him, even though he's a Muslim, and Muslims who used to vote for the NDC would switch and vote for MPP. It's the says that Bawumia ba in kremofo ya no moto ema NDC no san kremofo ni na ebesesa na ndo mo akwakoto hey so the in kremofo no, they will not be concerned about integrity. They will not be concerned about the fact that this man in opposition said a lot of things and now in power he can't do jack. They will not be concerned about the fact that the dollar is now 12. They will not be concerned about all those facts. The beer economy they do telling us from taxation to production, and today even bet here taxing a 10%. All the Muslims will not be concerned about all those things. What they'll be concerned about is the fact that Bawumia eye kremoni inti NDC Muslims ni nano ebejai no mo akwa akoto aba ama masa I didn't think na ebi to say Benefsin omo kasa to say we live we as a I don't know, as we are living in a fictional world. Omo kasa to say we live in a world of their own imagination. As asase we so ayewo no se ne omo adwen etse no sa na nkomunya ya nka asase no ewiase enko ase won se akola de ohu asase ohu ewiase different ase se ne ya na akola adwen akola de oni ha obia ono de ewiase ne ye free de ohwe movie a se ne bia ohwe Captain Planet se ne Captain Planet mutu ni nyama na akola ni nya ya na nka sa na ewiase ne ase de I don't know, but ase Benefsin nsem a o kana sa ne o de the munko mistake na mo fa Bawumia mbra na mo be ho na mo bete Ghana for nka e mo say Ghana for ejimi o e mo say Ghana for ejimi o e mo say Ghana for ye nkai de Bawumia kan we de mo e be fa mo say rapture Bawumia anyway I see the Muslims have now noticed that the NDC has taken them for granted for far too long because they don't take Muslims for even running mates. Now tie Benefsin asem wo kan I say in kremofo sisi anomo agye atum se NDC for empe omo asem NDC for mbu omo because se NDC for far running mate mpo a omo mfa nkremofo inti nkremofo sisi ano omo agye sa de na atum minim kremoni bia wakoko hia Benefsin kokko kan asem we tre no minim nkremofo group bia kokko kan asem we tre Benefsin minim but Benefsin na eka menti enye ono kranka menti da se nkremofo agye atum se NDC de omo mpenti no omo nia beto aba ma Bawumia ai radi Yesu Kristo here if you are overly biased then na oh yeah analysis sometimes it draws in it Okay. If you are overly biased, then you are doing analysis. Sometimes it draws in it. Because Benefs in the same way I walk, till. Or saying Kremofo Ajiatum say NDC dear. And your mother, NDC in fact in Kremofo. Intino in Kremofo, Ebetuama Bawumia. See. Ye can Ghana ha a Christopher a Dawson. A sing Kremofo. Analysis na me anything you. Ye can Ghana ha a Christopher Dawson sing Kremofo. Mahama, wo ye Christo ni. Edu Christopher ne de was yo Christopher kraje Bawumia atum. Edu Mahama de ne de ani de wanka say oh e Christopher age atum say Mahama na all represent you mo say MPP di Bawumia ba ebeda ne Christopher ene Nkremofo nti Christopher de ombeto ama Mahama na Nkremofo ato ama Bawumia wanka ne say edu Mahama de ne de wa wonim say Mahama ye Christo ni no o say oh e Christopher kra age atum feel comfortable for Bawumia. Nanso Nkremofo enya de ometo ama NDC da because omo say NDC for embu omo NDC for omo nya hwe nanso e Christopher a ye ka na nka Mahama na ye linkia na nka no e Christo say Christopher de omo age atomate ase se Bawumia de oye oba na obedi ye so a e Christopher no ene de enya asem omo nanso Nkremofo ne de be ya asem ama omo se Mahama ana NDC for mo anfa kremoni bi amba nche ontoma. If it's the same logic, and American, if you are being neutral and it is the same logic you want to use, as someone can say, and the Christopher Ensue who say, Omo Christian representative, Mahama, into Ometama Mahama, in Cremophone who say Bawumia no representative into Monso Betama no. But a doom Cremophone the end, they also Ometama Bawumia, a Christopher the end, one guy say Christopher Betama Mahama. Logic being research being our yeah. For research no Fabra Bonting. O data set ni will be bia Fabra Bonte ni enhu ni enka so okay san same way a wo kan na no he me wadanfo bia wo ye communicator MPP communicator na o support Bawumia and then we jaja adan a wo se won pese benefsin ebe ye polls na wo ye no wo kan ma Bawumia won pese ade ne da adan a wo se benefsin wo hwe ni recent polls last ye wa ama munia mu hu ye. Also, we benefits in the recent in some way I can na niam bim. It is a benefit me kase Bawumia ne be we need ya. Ono ni trim no. Ohu ni say endie Bawumia na e ba bere. It what is a benefits in ka bibi eboa Bawumia pe no we dwa. Oya o Bawumia campo. Madam for no Bawumia camp. But this is what benefits is saying. And American the facts are right in front of you Ghana for. You are discerning enough. Inti no ocean ni pakronin semwa walker. O de tutu ho ane wo say na bi ase ha sei no o ya nya atwom ase ha sei no o ka ne yie nti enne da ho no edu Nkremofo ne de o mo say o say Nkremofo no NDC ni bi eni ho a wo ye kremoni nti Nkremofo ntomma eye Bawumia Nkremofo so be o mo ntomma Mahama but Bawumia se Bawumia so onye Christo ni nanso o say Christopher beto ama no nti no wo hwa aha ni na no eye different ati ase now yento aso say he also said, and I think that's what they wanted to say. So he also said former President John Dramani Mahama will most certainly win the flag bearership of the opposition National Democratic Congress, but will face a bigger challenge in winning the presidency. I say Mahama will win, but it is 2024. That will be his problem. Mahama will win the NDC slot. He will win easily, but 2024 is going to be his problem, he said. Ahead of the 2024 presidential election, the National Democratic Congress and New Patriotic Party, the two main leading political parties, are set to elect their flag bearers. Now, me pesa me twe Benefsin adwen eba bibiso. Ono a Benefsin eba be kan say Mahama peso win 2024 elections na. Mahama emfa someone from Volta region. But I don't understand why is it that whenever Benefsin recently, whenever he's doing analysis on Mahama winning the 2024 election, he's always like, oh, Nkrofo we omuntoma Mahama because of Adie we, omuntoma Mahama because of Adie. But Bawumia, he forgets that same yardstick. We use Mahama no. Let me give you an example. Yenim, say about MPP, they've never taken someone from northern region to become their flag bearer. And it is a fact that is there. And Bawumia is likely to face that. Okay? Bawumia is likely to face. Listen, the NPP is not like the NDC. NDC party, no, and a party be a what share senior etia. The pakra wa better than the vice president, no. Or no, our transition ever better than the president. And so, in the person of John Evans Atta Mills, no, a vice president, and no better than a flag bearer. Mahama, no a vice president, and no better than a flag bearer. It is the tradition of the NDC. Osha NPP, that is not their tradition. Omo tradition, no. Omo before be of free northern region. Now I have vice president. But San the pakro of free northern region now I have vice president. No, the president no kwa you forget no. And that is the tradition of the NPP. And you two traditions. Why is it that Benefsin, when he's doing analysis on Bawumia, he forgets about the tradition of the NPP? Because he knows that the tradition of the NPP is not going to go in favor of Bawumia. Because two traditions of the NPP are ever working against Bawumia. One, the fact that NPP were vice president Emba, they are not like the NDC. And two, the fact that he is a northerner and it is likely impossible. So omobefa obi a wonye akani se wombra medi omoso. It has never happened before. In Cedar. And so two traditions of the NPP now working against Bawumia. But Benefsin in his analysis, in his fair neutral analysis, he forgets about it. But when it comes to Mahama, all the analysis are of feel say it is against Mahama ne de hode okay. And some of the analysis they say, or say one, voter region 4, they want someone to represent them at the highest level because Obi represent your moache. Intino se Mahama Amfa will be in free voter region own within 2024. That is what he said. He said that earlier on. Mahama Amfa running mate will free voter region and Yadia will be winning vote a free voter region. Mahama the tradition and no, it's not really a tradition like that for the NDC side though, but on the crowd. And the second one about Muslims for the Christo for and also aka. So and then the dahono. Your guess is as good as mine. Whatever you think. Won't try to your comment box.